Hello children, now third class mathematics 9th chapter. What is our chapter children? 9th chapter? Time. T-I-M-E. Time is our chapter. In that chapter 2, we already in previous class to what we learning? Days and months. Yes children? Days and months and time. Also you learning? Yes. Now page number 106. Take out textbook children and pencil also take. Notebook also take out. Page number 106 page. Page number 106. Open it children. Now page number 106. Page number 106. Open it children. See here. Take any 4 dates from the calendar in the form of a square. Add them as shown below. Observe the result. See here. In this calendar too, take any calendar, any month calendar will take. Here will say. See here. So how many days are there in a week? 7 days only. What are dates here? Sunday, Sunday. Read all of you. Sunday, Sunday. Sunday, Sunday. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday spelling Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. See here. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. So in calendar too, this like only having children. This like only having. See here. This like only given. Here in this calendar too, activity 1 calendar 2, which date to start children here? 1 date we are having Thursday. Thursday 1. In this month 31 days is there. 31 days. See here. 1 Thursday, 2 Friday, Saturday, 3, 4 Sunday. Don't write here, in next week only. 4 Sunday, 5 Saturday, 4 Sunday, 5 Monday, 6 Tuesday, 7 Wednesday, 8 Thursday, Friday, 9 Saturday, 10th day. Monday. 13 Tuesday. 14 Wednesday. 15 which day children? 15 Thursday. 16 which day? Friday. 17 Saturday. 18 Sunday. 19 Monday. 20 Tuesday. 21 Wednesday. 22 Thursday. 23 Friday. 24 Saturday. 25 Sunday. 26 Monday. 27 Tuesday. 28 Wednesday. 29 Thursday. 30 Friday. 31 Saturday. See here in this calendar, to which slide we are taking here? So this slide one box we are taking. From the calendar in the form of a square, take any 4 dates. Take any 4 dates from the calendar in the form of a square shape. Square shape to in 4 dates will take. Add them as shown below. Observe the result. See here. There 4 dates will take. Here what dates is there? 1, 8, 2, 9. So here add it. This like will add it. This like will add it children first of all. This number and this number. See here 1 and 9, 2 and 8. 2 plus 8, 1 plus 9. This like added children. So how much answer will come to 8 plus 2? 8, keep in your mind, add 2, 9, 10. 10. Here 1 plus 9, how much children? 1 plus 9. How much? Think all of you. 1 plus 9. 9 plus 1, 10 only. 10. See here. Same like this only. Next, any 4 your wish only. Here, this one. They are taking here 13, 20, 14, 21. This like only taking. So these 2 numbers added, these 2 numbers added. 13 plus 20 dash 14 plus 21. See here 13 plus 20 how much children? So are you seeing this? Wait few seconds. So okay, that much only. Okay children. 13 plus 20 equals how much? 3 plus 0, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 33. Sorry children, observe here. So I am doing that now only. See here. 13 plus 21. 13 plus 21. 14 plus 20. 14 plus 20. See here 13 plus 21, 14 plus 20. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. In 1's place 4, 1 plus 2, 3. 34. Here 14 plus 20. 4 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 34. So next numbers. Next numbers what we will taking here? 23. This one. This one only taking children. So write all of you 23, 30, 24, 31. See here. What writing here? 23 plus 31. 24 plus 30. See here, 1 place you observe, 1 place 3, 4, 2 place 3, 5, 4 place 0, 4. See here, any 4 numbers in square shape to be taking, that will adding means equal number only came. Yes children, what you observe there? Any number will take equal number only came. So in your notebook to also write children. In your textbook to also write children. In textbook to also 2 plus 8, 10, 1 plus 9, 10, 14 plus 20, 34, 13 plus 21, 34, 23 plus 31, 54, 24 plus 30, 54. So 2 numbers only equal. What you observe? 2 numbers equal only. 2 numbers equal. See here observing. So in textbook to given numbers will not taking. Again one number will taking and checking. So these all numbers only in textbook to given only. So we are taking another square. So this square will taking, this one will take. Okay. 4, 11, 5, 12. 4, 11, 5, 12. So here 4 plus 12, 11 plus 5. 12 plus 4 how much children? 16. 11 plus 5, 16. Okay, same only children. Any 4 numbers in square shape to taking and adding means equal only can. So are you observing children? So look at the calendar of the year. See if your observation is true for the different months. So you are taking another months also you take and observe it. Okay. Any month you take and observe it. That one is correct or wrong? You check it children. Okay, now second activity. Activity 2. Are you completed children is this? Now activity 2. Activity 2 now. Activity 2. Take any 9 dates from the calendar in the form of a square. Add as shown below. Observe the result. Same like that calendar will take now. See here. Sunday, Monday, S-U-N-D-A-Y Sunday, M-O-N-D-A-Y Monday, T-U-E-S D-A-Y Tuesday, W-D N-E-S D-A-Y Wednesday, T-H-U-R-S D-A-Y Thursday, F-R-I D-A-Y Friday, Saturday, Saturday. See here, 1, 2, sorry, this date to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, same like that only. In before calendar, whatever we are writing, that one only I am writing, children. See here. 4th date Monday. Sorry, 4th date Sunday, 5th date Monday, 6th date Tuesday. I am explaining again why because children, for you understanding purpose only I am explaining again and again. Okay. So 1 first date Thursday, Friday, 2nd Saturday, 3rd, 4th date Sunday, 5th Monday, Tuesday, 6th, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. This like only given calendar. So in that calendar too, 9 dates will take. 9 dates. How many dates will take? 9 dates. In square shape only. So you are taking 9 days. This like. This like children. These 9 dates. See here. One example is given children here. See. What dates will given here? 1, 8, 15. 2, 9, 16. 3, 10, 17. So these square shaped numbers only we are taking. We are taking the square shaped numbers only. These square shaped numbers. So here, this like will do this like. See here. First A1. 3 plus 9 plus 15. 3 plus 9 plus 15. B1. See here. 2 plus 9 plus 16. 2 plus 9 plus 16. C1. 1 plus 9 plus 17. 1 plus 9 plus 17. Next to D1. 8 plus 9 plus 10. 8 plus 9 plus 10. See here, observe children, add these numbers. 15 plus 9, how much? 15, keep in your mind, add 9. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 plus 3. 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. Here 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9. 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 plus 2. 26, 27. Here also same number only came, same answer only came. Yes children, are you observing? Here 17 plus 9 plus 1. 17 plus 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 17. 17 plus 10, 27. See. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Same answer only. Next, 8 plus 9 plus 10. 8 plus 9 plus 10. How much here? 8 plus 9 plus 10. Say all of you. Add your. Add children. Add all of you. 8 plus 9 plus 10. How much? 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 8. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Same answer. Are you observing children? Same. 9 numbers also will taking in square shape too will taking. That numbers will adding any three numbers. This like 3 numbers will adding the same answer only came. See here another example also we are taking now. These numbers. We are taking this number children. 12. So I wrote here clearly. 12, 13, 19, 20, 14, 21, 26, 27, 28. This like only. See here, what numbers will add in here? 12 plus 20 plus 28. 12, 20 plus 28. Next 13. B1 13 plus 20 plus 27. Next 14, 20 plus 26. Next one 19 plus 20 plus 21. See here. Check it children. First of all, ones place number you add. 2 plus 0, 0 only. No, 2. 2 plus 8, 10, 0. 1 is carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 60. 12 plus 20 plus 28 equals to 60. So next number. So ones place number only. First of all you add 3 plus 7, 10, 0, 1 is carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 how much? 5. 5 plus 1, 6. First of all we are adding ones place number. Then afterwards carry and tens place numbers also will add. Here 6. 6 plus 4. 10. 1 is carry. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 plus 2. 5. 5 plus 1. 6. Here 1. 0. 9. 9 plus 0. 9. 9 plus 1. 10. So 1 is carry. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 plus 2. 5. 5 plus 1. 6. So all answers only came children. Equal only all answers. In square shape to taking 9 numbers. So this like in 3 numbers we are adding with equal number only came. Okay. What do you observe? You are observing equal number only. So compulsory learn, children, days and months. So listen, children, you remember it. In February month, in all years 28 days only came first, but in leap year 29 days only in February month. February month 29 days only. That 29 days in 4 years too only came. 4 years to once. Okay? You remember it, children? You practice it. You learn that spellings also compulsory. How many days are there in a year? 7 days are there in a year. Yes? 7 days are there in a year. No, I am asking question only, wrong, children. Are you not observing? How many days are there in a week? So there are 7 days in a week. So don't confuse, children, days and week and months. You observe it and learn that spellings also. Okay? Don't confuse, children. Okay, children, write this. Right, all of you? In next topic, in next class, I will explain, children. Okay, children. Write in your notebook this page also.